How to insert and delete pages in MS Word. Here click on MS Word here. After opening it, you will find the document if you have. Just like this. So there are two pages in the Word file. Two of two. Now I want to insert another page. Bring your cursor here and then come into the insert section. Click on blank page. One page is added. Now it becomes three. Another page, another page, another page. Now the pages are continually added into your Word file. But if you want to delete the extra blank pages that are unnecessary, then what will be the process here? Then you will come into this section view here. After clicking view, come into navigation pane, come into the section pages, and after pages, here the total pages in your document file will appear here. As 6 pages are in this document, 2 are filled, but other 4 are very empty and unfilled, blank pages. Now if I want to delete number 3 page, then click with your mouse and then press backspace on your keyboard once or twice. It will delete. Now I want to delete another page. Press. Now in this way, the pages are continually deleted. Backspace. Remember to press backspace from your keyboard in order to delete the page, blank page or any other page in the Word document. I hope you'll find it beneficial. Follow for more. Subscribe us.